how to make a phone call on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on phone app. Now here, click on, so if you want to make a call, so click on contacts. So you will select contact from here. So after select contact, click on this green icon, you will see. So click on back. So click on recent. So if you want to, so click on this in recent contact and click on this green phone number, so you will see. So there's another way of make a call. So click on, so dial contact number and phone. So there's another way of, so click on contact and phone. So there is another way of three. Click on this three dot icon and click on speed dial numbers. So click on number. So you will see. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can make a video call on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.